Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to get started with Filmora 13. Now I am using a free app of Wondershare Filmora 13. You can also download it for free and test all the things. But when you're done exporting your video, it will come out with the watermark. So to get out of the watermark, you have to purchase it. After you have installed Filmora 13 on your computer, you are going to learn on this page. So please take a look some of the things. Filmora 13 is the best video editing software for beginners. It means that it is very easy to get started or to use it. In the recent updated, they have added the feature and a lot of new AI option. So you can start with the screen recording, AI text to video, AI text-based editing, silent detection. But now we should focus on more editing basic. So if we want to create the new project, just click new project. But before that, you can see here it is the aspect ratio. This is the place where we can change now or change later. So when we click it to drop down, there are many aspect ratio. 16:9, it is the default setting. This setting is used for TV or YouTube side. 9:16, it is the portrait side video. It is used for if we want to create a video for YouTube short or TikTok. So before you create a new project, you have to decide it and choose it which one is that are going with your videos. In this video tutorial, I am going to use 16:9, and to go ahead, I have to click on new project. You are going to see more pops open. So this is the interface of the Filmora 13. It means that we are in the main interface of Filmora 13. For the next video tutorial, we are going to cover or get through the interface of Filmora 13. And thank you for watching. To watch more videos like this, please consider to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.